So the markets have been a little bit turbulent recently. You are in the retirement period, so you are no longer earning an income. You're actually depending on your portfolio to generate a cash flow to you. How should you approach this market downturn? Our advice is to take a step back, think about how your portfolio is currently positioned. Most people in retirement, our clients for sure, have already designated a certain component of their portfolio to cash investments, stable investments, short-term bonds maybe, and a certain component is already invested in things that have no exposure to the equity markets. That's pretty important, I think, because people oftentimes hear the news and think that, okay, the market is down 3% or 4%. Well, how's that gonna impact my portfolio? And for most retirees, their portfolio is not the market. It's not going to decline on a 1-to-1 ratio with the market. So keep that in mind. Secondly, in retirement during periods of downturn, you need to maintain a focus on financial planning opportunities that may exist that you can capitalize on. For example, now might be a good time to consider a Roth conversion. So you take a distribution out of your IRA, convert that money to a Roth while the market is down. That money in the Roth is never taxed again, and that money grows and compounds over your retirement period. That is a great strategy to consider. Also, tax loss harvesting. I mean, if you have investments in your personal brokerage account, think about realizing those losses, make lateral moves into a similar investment, and realize the loss. Take advantage of that on your tax return, but from a market standpoint, you're in a lateral position, so the risk level in your portfolio remains about the same. Also, rebalance. That is a vital component of a successful investment strategy. Rebalance your portfolio is very important. It keeps the risk levels about the same. So right now that might entail selling some of the bonds positions, at least trimming back, and moving into back into equities just to keep your asset allocation targets intact. So that's the advice that we would have for retirees. We hope that you'll consider these in light of the markets, and hopefully this will ease your mind a little bit. If you're doing all those things correctly, we have utmost confidence that you'll navigate this turbulent time period successfully. Give us a call if you have any questions. 919-321-8625.